What's up, guys? It's Bree Green from D4D, designfordollars.com. Holy crap, I have some amazing news and lots of announcements to share with you guys. It's, excuse me, Friday. I don't even know what date it is. Let's see. September 21st, 3 p.m. Eastern Time. Let's make sure we get this thing shared where we need to get it shared. So we got to get our D4D family in here. Let's see, where are you guys at? We are. We need to get our merch money girls and the merch money crew in here too. All right, let's see. Where's merch money? Here we go. Merch money. All right, and then we're gonna see who all's joining us. It's freaking gorgeous out here in Western New York, south of Buffalo. I'm in Fredonia. Crazy. It's like in the mid to upper 80s and super humid, and it's gonna be like in the high 50s tomorrow. So welcome to where I live, crazy town. We've got Helen, what's up? My co-host on Merch Money, Helen, Merch Boss, Debbie, what's up? And Lisa, all joining us. Thanks, guys, for watching. So let's get right to it. We've got a lot of stuff to talk about. So first off, we've got a huge freaking flash sale going on right now at designfordollars.com. So it's only today. We figured most of you may get paychecks on Fridays, and so we will continue it up until midnight. We had a couple of messages. We were running it Wednesday and Thursday, and it just made sense to continue it till Friday. So we are going to end that tonight. So what you got to do is, this is only on image packs, but you use D4D50 and you can get an image pack for 50% off. You can get as many image packs as you want for 50% off. What the hell's an image pack? An image pack is basically a graphic that you can scale, manipulate, recolor, cut, rework, and use in any manner you want on any products you want to make money. So actually, you may have caught the little competition we're running. So we're doing a D4D head-to-head. We took one of our image packs, one of the Halloween ones that we consider like meh, like not our best pack, but we created a bunch of designs from them so that you guys could see what you could actually do with these image packs. So there's 50 of them. You get 50 images in an image pack, or you can get a 10 pack if there's just a few of them that you want. And we did the examples number one so that you guys can see that there's an infinite number of ways to work these image packs. I could give one to you and one to you and one to me, and we could crank out designs. We're not going to have the same phrases, and our designs are going to look nothing alike. And the beauty of using our image packs is it supports our style of research, which is phrase research. We talk about this so many times that we like to zig when everyone's zagging, right? Or we like to zag when everyone's zigging. We kind of like to do the opposite. We like to blaze trails. We like to try other things. So if the herd is all going like this, we try to kind of veer off over here to like dabble and see if something else is working. And what we found is that design research, instead of finding designs that sell and have 50 million people with the same phrase, which, by the way, how do you find a shirt on Amazon? You type in the phrase. We like to do phrase research instead of design research. So then when we're creating designs, we're using trendy designs. And a lot of people noticed on the contest that we're running, the phrases that we're using are really unique and creative and funny. Why? Because that's how we roll. That's how we are doing our phrase research at D4D. We're not doing design research, we're doing phrase research. And then when we do find phrase research, we're making them original and creative. So you're not going to be in a saturated market with everybody. What's the one that Aaron used? I'm just here for the booze. Type it in and see how many you get. Like, I think he found like 360 of them. If you're on page 20, how are we supposed to find you on page 20? Okay, so that's why at D4D, we like to do things a little differently. Let's change it up. Let's not follow the herd. Let's try something a little bit differently. And what we have found is that with phrase research, the possibilities are infinite. You can find phrases that have to do with this and apply them to something completely different and make an original phrase that is amazing and trending and gets a lot of search hits and a lot of sales. That's the point. So make sure you go check out on our D4D Facebook page. Make sure you guys check out, first of all, the contest. Get in on that. Vote for your favorite one. Let's be honest. We're not all like graphic designers. I do my best. You guys know I can hardly freaking open Photoshop and manipulate it. But pop over there and see what we were able to create with those image packs. Check out the phrases we have and enter the giveaway because we're going to give away those designs and the image pack as well. Okay, other thing we need to talk about is we've been running a poll, right? And a lot of people reach out to me as well as they participated in the poll to say that you're struggling with phrase research and keywords research. So here's the big announcement. What we're going to do, invite only. The link is here in the Facebook Live. Wednesday, September. We at D4D, our D4D family, we are going to run a live webinar. A webinar. I don't know what the hell that is, but we're going to run a webinar. And you can get in invite only by hitting the link that we posted there. And Duncan and I are going to take you out into the Wild West of researching with him and I. Buckle up. We're going to do phrase research. We're going to show you how we find keywords, how we optimize designs. So you can go on the wild ride of Duncan and I researching live with us on Wednesday. So it's the Crushing Keywords course. Christina just popped in. She put the link in there for you guys as well. And again, that's Wednesday, September 26th. Now, you know we got a bunch of keyword options. And you know I'm obsessed with saying, like, you don't have to outsource everything, or you can outsource everything. You can pick and choose what works for you. So let's say you don't want to learn keywords. You don't feel like it. Well, we can do them for you. You can outsource that to us. We have that option right on the website. Or if you have a large number of keywords that you guys want to outsource to us, we got you. Just hit us up at d4demail@gmail.com or message me. We'll get you guys a custom invoice, and we will optimize those for you. We also have the keywords course, the offer you can't refuse, the Godfather offer. And that is the keyword course that we ran, where you will be taught how to do the keywords, and you also get some resources with that course as well. So that's for if you want to teach yourself how to do it. You're going to get a template. I call it, like back when I was teaching, I would call it like a plug and chug template. What that meant is it's like an ad lib. So you have a template laid out almost like a formula. And then once you figure out how to plug in pertinent, rich keywords, it becomes second nature. You can keep utilizing this template over and over again. And again, the other option, which we've never offered before, Duncan and I are going to just do this live webinar on Wednesday night, invite only. So make sure you guys get in on that opportunity, and we will show you live how we do that. You guys can follow us on that crazy journey of research and keyword optimization. Oh, what else do we got to talk about? So we've got the image packs at 50% off. Of course, we have the RTR packs. So RTR packs, ready to rock. What the hell does that mean? It means if you're watching right now and you get tiered up, or maybe you don't get tiered up, you got a bunch of spots that are open and you need designs and you can't design, or you don't have time to design, or you don't feel like designing, and you want that work done for you, we've got you. Go grab our RTR packs. They're amazing, freaking full of value. We got them in 10s or 25s right now. They go through our whole process that the D4D family does. We've got phrase research for trademark checking. They've got those original creative phrases on them, our awesome graphics, and you can download them right now and upload them right now. And you don't just have to limit yourself to merch. Put them in whatever pod you want. I've got my Orbit Kit up and kicking right now, okay? Orbit Kit is a piece of software that's pushing my designs that I have in merch out into other pod fulfillment centers. Where do you think I get my designs? Our designers, okay? So I put them in the merch account and I put them in all of my other pod accounts as well. And when I say they got a lot of value, I mean, not only do we do them for you, but now we decided to add in the hoodie files because it didn't make sense when we were running through and uploading, you know, short sleeve shirts, long sleeve shirts, crew neck sweatshirts, well, and actually both of the short sleeve shirt options. And then you get to hoodie and you don't have any hoodie files. So we threw the hoodie files in there. You also get the PSD files. So if you're new to design or if you're limited in your design skill like me, it's like, oh, cool, thanks for the PSD files. But let me tell you, we've got some courses coming up that are going to show you if you're a total dummy at design like me. We've got some coursework coming up that's going to help you. But the PSD files are thrown in there. So if you do have a designer you work with or you know a little bit of design yourself, or hey, you can even manipulate these on your phone, that's an added value. So you have a PSD file. If you're familiar with graphic design at all, those are normally 3, 4, 5 times the upcharge. Not only do we not upcharge, we don't charge. We're just throwing them in there for you. And that way you can take those designs and you can scale them out. And if you don't know what scaling out means, that means taking a design and kind of running with it and applying it to other niches. So for instance, this is a dumb one, but if you had I love pizza and that was your amazing selling design, you could take the word pizza and replace it with I love horses, I love science, I love gardening, right? Now, obviously that's a very, very basic phrase, but it's just a really good example of scaling. You take keywords out that are pertinent, niche-related keywords, and you replace them so that the phrase is applicable in another area. All right, so holy cow, I went crazy there. 12 minutes of just yapping nonstop. I get so freaking excited about this stuff. So let's see who else is here. What's up, Lisa? Dennis, hey, what's up? We've got Diane. What's up, girl? We've got Christina's popping in. Christina's part of our D4D fam. She's got all the links for you guys. My girl Stacy, what's up? I haven't seen your face in a while. I miss you. We've got Sally in the house. Becca, what's up? Okay, so let me run through everything again. So if you're just joining us right now, yeah, I'm getting like blown off the deck because it's crazy windy here on Lake Erie. If you guys don't know where I'm located, I'm south of Buffalo. So I'm approximately 45 minutes from the Ohio border, the Pennsylvania border, the Canadian border, Niagara Falls, and I'm just a few miles from Lake Erie. So it's crazy. And actually my little umbrella that I normally have in the background took off last night because we forgot to close it. Whoops. So anyway, so let's rehash everything real fast here. We've got a flash sale right now on our image packs. What the hell is an image pack? They're pictures, they're graphics that you can put on stuff to sell. So you can manipulate them, you can make them different colors, you can cut them, resize them, use pieces of them, piece them together with other graphics in the pack. There really is an unlimited number of ways you can work those. So that's D4D 50. That's only good till tonight. It's a Friday flash sale. We've got the contest that we're running. We all created designs with our worst, simplest image pack for Halloween, and you could still see that they're really cool designs and that it's the phrases that are going to bring these designs to the forefront of search. The phrases are going to sell the shirt. The message is going to sell the shirt. We're not going to have to go 37 pages in to find my shirt. That's how we roll. That's what we're trying to do in our own businesses and what we're trying to show you guys too. You asked for keywords and phrase research stuff. You know we have Systems. Some of you do. Systems is a subscription service. We deliver to you guys some phrases. So if you handle your design work, you just kind of want some help with that, with the phrases that you could scale out. We've got you covered in our Systems subscription. If you need help with keywords, we got a bunch of different options. We'll do them for you. You can completely outsource them to us. Or you could take the offer you can't refuse, the Godfather offer, This is a keywords course where it will come with a template to help you do the keywords yourself, or hit the link and sign up for the webinar that that we're going to be running on Wednesday night, where you guys are going to be live with Duncan and I. And wear your helmets and buckle your seatbelts, because we're a little bit crazy, and we're going to go down that crazy rabbit trail of showing you how we do our phrase research and how we get our keywords and how we put that all together to make good converting merch and pod listings. And don't forget to hit up our RTRs, the featured. We have a bunch of different featured packs. We have a lot of seasonal ones. We've been pumping out Halloween, Thanksgiving, and Christmas, so get in there. Don't forget about our pop sockets too. To our knowledge, nobody else is creating pop sockets that are RTP, ready to pop. So, and they're less than $1 per design, and you get the PSD files. So you can use those elsewhere, right? You could use them on Redbubble. You could use them to create shirt designs. So you get the point. Value, 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 value. So if you are catching this right now live on Facebook, please like it, share it, pop over to D4D and join the family. We're here to help you guys. We're in the trenches building our businesses, and we're just trying to get the information to you that is working best for us. When we see something that's working, when we're getting sales, when we're crushing it, that's the information we want to pass on to you. And you guys know our style. It's no BS. You're gonna see people duplicating or replicating what we're doing, but they can imitate us, but they can't do it like us. So it's D4D. We're totally different. We're no BS. We are real people. We make mistakes like everybody else. If you guys have watched from the beginning, it's been a crazy journey opening D4D. But you know what? That's our style. We're open. We're transparent about it. You guys have been cool as hell working through the kinks with us. And you know what? We're building something amazing. So thanks to you guys as pod community members and as Merch by Amazon hustlers, thanks for constantly reaching out to us and letting us know how we can make things that are better for you guys, how we can help you guys. And thanks for both the positive and negative criticism and the constructive criticism too. So that's the only way we're going to get better, and that's the only way we can help you guys get better too. So D4D50 on the image packs. Hit up that webinar. We'll see you guys Wednesday night for that live webinar with Duncan and I, and you guys know where to find us if you need anything. So we're accessible. Hit us up on Facebook if you guys have any questions. And then, of course, you can hit us up at d4demail@gmail.com. So if you're seeing this as a replay on YouTube, which this will be there soon, again, hit the bell, like it, share it, subscribe, and hit us up when you guys have questions, problems, or need some help. Take care and enjoy the rest of your Friday.